Hi, let's start with market analysis for 10th of Jan, that is day after tomorrow. So we are starting with the Nifty 50 index. So as you can see here, we are observing three patterns: head and shoulder pattern, triple bottom pattern, and the recent pattern formed here is a double bottom pattern. So in this case, it is expected to move upwards. So if you see in the candlesticks formation, this is a evening star. So in this case, it is expected to fall down, but it has been failed and it has started to go up with the formation of inverted hammers, two inverted hammers being formed here. So in this case, if it is breaking this trend line, and then here will be my entry and this will be my target and stop loss being here. But in case it is falling down and breaking this support trend line, so here will be my target and this will be my stop loss. The second one is a Nifty Bank index. So as you can see here, there are two patterns: head and shoulder pattern, and the recent pattern also formed here is the double bottom pattern. So in this case, if it is breaking this zone, so this is the zone where the stock is being held for some period of time, and so here if it is breaking this resistance line of this zone, this is a no trading zone. So in case if it breaks this resistance line, this will be my target, and here being the stop loss. But in case it breaks this trend line, and I will also wait for the confirmation of breaking this zone support line of the zone area, and then I will be making my target here, and this one will be my stop loss. And as you can see the candlestick formations, so we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle. So also there's a small double bottom pattern also being formed here. This is very small, which is almost negligible because in 1 hour time frame, so it will not be visible. So we'll be considering this main double bottom pattern. Now going to this stocks, the third one, that is the Coal India Limited. So as you can see here, from almost 3rd of Jan till yesterday, the stock was moving in this kind of wedge. This is the rising wedge. So it has not crossed this trend line, and it has not gone up. So it has not crossed, and it has not broken this as well as this. So from 7th of Jan, this is moving in. Yesterday it was moving within this ascending triangle pattern. So here, in case if it is breaking this trend line, so here will be my target. So target is almost at 0.76%, and here will be my stop loss. But in case it breaks this trend line, so here will be my target, and this being the stop loss. Now the fourth one is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation stock. So here, as you can see again, this from 4th of Jan, this was moving in a flag and pole pattern, but it broke this upper line, that's the resistance line of this flag and pole, and again it made a flag and pole pattern. So here, as you can see, the pattern that we are observing in this case is the triple bottom pattern, and also it's a raising wedge pattern, or it can also be called as a flag and pole pattern. So in this case, it is expected like to move a little downwards because of this triple bottom pattern. But in case since the stock is here, if it breaks this trend line, here will be my entry, and this being my target. So target is almost at 0.93%, and here will be my stop loss. But in case it breaks this trend line, so here will be my target, and this being the stop loss, almost at 1:1 ratio. So the fifth one is the ITC Limited stock. So as you can see here, there was a head and shoulder pattern formed here, and the recent pattern formed is a double bottom pattern. So in this case, if it is crossing this trend line and if it is breaking this, here will be my entry and this will be my target, and this being the stop loss. But in case it falls down and it breaks this support line, so here will be my target and this being the stop loss. The last one is the Bharti Airtel Limited. So as you can see here, the stock was moving in a flag and pole pattern the whole of 6th January and yesterday too. So it has not crossed either of the lines of the flag and pole, and you can see the recent formation pattern formed here is a double bottom pattern. So in this case, if it is breaking this trend line of flag and pole, so here will be my entry and this being the target, and here will be my stop loss. But if it is coming back and if it is crossing this support line, so here will be my entry and here will be my target and this being the stop loss. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so much.